Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Octo Repair Guy. Today we are talking about a crucial component in your engine, the camshaft sensor. Let's dive into the symptoms of a bad camshaft sensor and what you can do about it. What is the camshaft sensor? The camshaft sensor monitors the camshaft position and sends signal to the engine computer. It's a vital for engine timing, performance, and emission. There are so many symptoms related to a bad camshaft sensor, and on the video we are going to be discussing about 6 of them as we dive in. The first, you would have your check engine light illuminating. The check engine light, also called the cell, which is CEL, will start illuminating when the engine computer detects a problem with the camshaft sensor or its circuit. It's often the first sign that something is off. 2, we have the engine misfire. A faulty camshaft sensor can disrupt fuel injection timing, causing the engine to misfire or stall. You might feel a rough or jerky ride, and sometimes the engine will be vibrating. 3, a noticeable poor acceleration and lack of power. The engine computer relies on the camshaft sensor for fuel injection and also ignition timing. A bad sensor can lead to decreased performance and sluggish acceleration, so therefore also draining a lot of fuel from your vehicle. And number 4, rough idling or uneven running. The engine might run unevenly or roughly when idling due to incorrect fuel air mixture caused by a faulty sensor, giving the ECM a wrong reading that end up bringing or causing problem to your engine. Number 5, vehicle start to hard start or possibly no start. In several cases, a bad camshaft sensor can prevent the engine from starting or possibly make it hard to start, therefore causing the users or owner to go mad. The last, poor fuel efficiency. A faulty sensor can cause the engine to run rich, which is engine burns more fuel than needed, thereby decreasing fuel efficiency and increasing emissions. Why it happens? A bad camshaft sensor can cause the engine computer to miscalculate fuel injection and ignition timing, therefore leading these issues listed above to start occurring. Furthermore, what to do when you start noticing or seeing these symptoms listed above. First, check the CL with an OBD scanner. And all these are the possible fault code you could see when your car camshaft position sensor is bad. And secondly, you inspect the wirings and connection to see if they are still connected or not. Then the third, you replace the sensor if need be to avoid more or future symptoms. In summarization or possibly conclusion, a bad camshaft sensor can cause major headaches. Get it checked and fixed to keep your ride smooth.